Kulay viewer ki viewers sesin pada hari ni ka video ni page hagwadi bat ki khubor Laitkam ke ka Institute of Banking Personal Selection lani IBPS has officially released the detailed notification kalakot online application nagbanta ki pus paper bat ki don hadu hendriu hajar news pak khatsan tali kita ki vacancies across major participating public sector banks. Mungkin saya page hang ni ki kita ki joint banks. Nangta ka online application kalau sedang nadu tarik ku Julai ajar pendriu patkan kut ha ka arpoi tarik Julai ajar pendriu. Ti kala dir yak por yang hendri nga klaim yok ban penyi ya kan video hendri lada pipej mental ane lashai men step ti pidangla ban apply. Mau pidangla ban apply nang benta kini gipus hapok bank sebaper kebedon hadu riu hajar news pak santeliki total number of posts. Mo ti nakbenta ba pinyo rung ba pintrai ini gi banks kandon ka preliminary exams kandon ka online main exam personality test but common interview. Tila da pila alo di gini successful candidates will be professionally allotted. Mo nangta ki recruitment detail kepada organization IBPS, post name probationary officer, management training. Total vacancies kedai 2,000 news pakhatsan, job location all over India. Lani all India kada anywhere in India mo. Nanti ka pay skill hang ni lani ka salary kan sedang du South Prajar, South Spa, Prapho, bat kan kut hadu Prapsan hajar khandai Spa Arpho. Plus gui padeki allowances. Okay. Nangta ka application mode kedai online ka registration date kumbang ala dia ban pensengau tarik Julai jaro pendriu kelas sedang batkan kun arpoi tarik Julai jaro pendriu. Te sengau ha wanam sengau namar gejing bomla jenga ban penni ha ka por ka babiang wala kataru kidang don hi ka por sakumba arsngi. Mo nangka kini kain kidi kita ki banks ki ba la penni ya kini ki vacancy paper Bank of Baroda khandai spa tli post Bank of India san spa tli post Bank of Maharashtra chejar chi spa tli Canara Bank chi khatsan spa nangta Central Bank of India san spa Indian Overseas Bank san spa san po Punjab National Bank san spa sao Punjab and Singh Bank chi spa rupuai Indian Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank of India not reported yet. Mo hadu mentakin parlaban penaika exact number of vacancies. Nagta educational qualification, ino candidates ki bakwa ban apply nang ta kite ki post bikinyo pantri hapo ki banks ki dei ban pendep ya ka degree lani graduation in any discipline from university recognized by the government of India. Nangta age limit minimum age kedai post name but maximum age kedai life post name. Candidate must be born between 2nd of July 1996 and 1st of July 2006. Both dates exclusive. Mo but kandon ru ka relaxation nang benta jungi ki ST kedai sans name. Kata kemumut hadu life sans name ngidang laban apply nang benta kiti post. But selection process kumang laong yapi kadon ka preliminary exam, English subject, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. Total kadai shispa 3 question, shispa mark atat. Mo nangta main examination kadai jong ki reasoning computer aptitude, general economy, banking awareness, English languages, the data analysis, interpretation, the descriptive paper, kapta kabadai chongki English essay but comprehension, and personality test kan sadon but ka interview. Tilada pila lo di kini direct di pinyo ban tray ha kita ki bang ala de ban pensengau shapi. Nangta ka application fee namta jungi ki ST kadi chi Spanyu Pusan. Mo chi Spanyu Pusan namta jongki ST. Di nomor kata ngongi pi lada pi sengau ba kani kadi kalan ka kabu supa one of Muslim menta lani lashai leisha menta mid yo let's say pila ban apply nang menta ka mobile phone ba lada pinang ru supa ban le che ki cyber ku jan ki jong pi ong ki hin soba ban yarap lem ban ada pikwa ban tip detail soba ban klik ya ka link bang abu po description box lane tho hapo ka Google site jongpi www.ibps.in saklik ang tu bat sapule details bro tangkatahi yak bede bakani kubor Laitkam ngai scam ba pilayo jingtip bat wanam klet ban share lang seki parlok jongpi bat ban subscribe lada pidang day ki batmai ha ka channel ke jonga tikarmen sengendu yang haki wi pat ki video hak ba day bat ki kubor Laitkam kubei shibun kubei share jarmo